Hello dear students, welcome to your chemistry class. As we all know that there are three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, and one state can be changes into the other state. It can be by the temperature or by the pressure. There are various processes which has been involved in change of state. We have gone through one by one, like we have studied about melting, boiling, sublimation. Let us go. There are more processes which has been involved in change of state. So the next is condensation. You have studied this topic earlier also. Condensation is the change of water from its gaseous form into liquid water. It means condensation is the change of gaseous state into the liquid state. It generally occurs in the atmosphere when warm air rises, cools, and loses its capacity to hold water vapor. The best example to understand condensation process is the formation of cloud. If you have gone and studied about the water cycle, you remember that how the condensation process takes place. The water gets evaporated. It means it is in the gaseous form, and when it just rises up, this warm air just cools and loses its capacity to hold water vapor. So it gets condenses, it cools down and it gets condenses. It means the particles come closer. As we all know, in gaseous state the particles are farther away from each other. So as soon as it gets cooled down, it the particles come nearer because the kinetic speed of the particles decreases, so they came nearer to each other. And as soon as the particles came nearer to each other, they changes the next, or you can say they changes the other state. So from gaseous state it changes into the liquid state, and this process is known as condensation. Let us go with the next process, that is freezing. As you all know the word freezing, which is very familiar to you all, that freezing which is also considered as solidification, because like if you will keep the water in the refrigerator or the freezer, what happens? The water gets freezes or it gets changes into ice. Ice is a solid state. So you can consider this process as solidification or freezing. So let us go with the definition. Freezing or solidification is a phase transition in which a liquid turns into a solid when its temperature is lowered below its freezing point. Like we have studied about melting point, boiling point, there is a freezing point also. It means a liquid changes into the solid, but the condition is the temperature is just below the freezing point. Now, freezing point is the temperature at which liquid changes to the solid, like water. If you will just freeze it in the refrigerator, it will changes into the ice cube, which is considered as a solid state. Next, as we all have studied about all the processes, let us conclude all the process and let us go with each and every one with this image. If you will see, we all know that there are three states of matter, and we all know like solid, when solid changes into the liquid state, this process is known as fusion. And when the liquid changes into the gaseous state, it is considered as vaporization, or you can also consider evaporation. And when the gaseous state changes into the solid, it is considered as sublimation, because here you can see gas is directly changes into the solid state. Yesterday we have studied about the sublimation process. It means that when a solid directly changes into the gas, or gaseous state directly changes into the solid state without coming to the liquid state, this process are known as, or these processes are known as sublimation process. And when liquid changes into the solid, just now we have studied about the freezing process, which is also known as freezing, or you can consider that solidification. And the first we have studied about, that is the condensation, when liquid changes into the, when gaseous state changes into the liquid state, like water vapor just cools down and condenses in the form of water, which falls from the cloud in the form of rain. So that is about the conclusion of all the processes which we have studied, that is fusion, vaporization, condensation, solidification and sublimation. Hope you all understand all the process. Try to learn the definition and understand each and every process.